Hi! Look at
Hi.
our room, guys. Look at the birthday girl here. Oh my god, look how big our room.
The door's so
The
hard
kitchen
to
is so
close.
big.
Hold on.
Oh my god, look at this. 2 queen beds. Oh my god, huge.
Hey,
And we have a
oh, I'm taking that one over there.
couch here.
I think this might be daddy's room here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then we have balcony.
Oh, wait, so I get those
Unfortunately,
two
it's
beds
not
you're saying.
ano.
Yay!
Yeah, you did.
But it's okay, I can open it. And big. And then we have another room. Kilani said this is hers. Oh my god.
Oh, I'm taking that one.
Wait, that's mommy and daddy.
Oh, it's big.
Yeah.
Oh, never mind. It's hard.
Oh my god, I can open. Oh, it's locked. Sorry, guys. Oh, look at the balcony. Oh my gosh, nice.
Wow.
It's okay.
Guess we have to go all the way around to bring our stuff in. We'll get a cart.
Yeah. Whoa. Are you ready for tonight, Robbie? That's nice, Daddy.
nice, eh?
Yeah.